Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to be talking about facial hair removal, and guys, it's a major concern for me, and I believe it's going to be major concern for you, most of you out there, because I really hate facial hair. Whenever they start to appear at the end of the third and fourth week, I hate them a lot, because it's really painful process to take them off. So whenever I go to the parlor, guys, I usually get my upper lip and my eyebrows threaded. So whenever she tries to remove hair from here, it really pains a lot, because hair keep getting thicker when you start to remove it from here, because in your nostril you have really thick hair. So, and also the hair over here and here cannot be removed with the help of a thread, as you guys know, and they really look bad at the end of the day when you go out. So today in this video I'm going to be removing my nostril hair with the help of a hard wax, and the same wax I'm going to be applying on my nose as well, because I have little bit of hair over here and I have this major problem of whitehead. So what hard wax does is, guys, it really sits in your skin firmly and helps in taking out all the impurities and all the hair you have over. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So we are going to get into the video, guys. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel and be a part of Beauty Squad. It's free for you guys, and it is really going to mean a lot to me. So we are going to get into the video now.
So guys, the first thing you need is some hot water in a pan, and just make sure it's not very hot, but hot till a temperature that your skin can bear it. And after that, I'm going to place the same towel on my skin for good 2 to 3 minutes. And what the heat and temperature is gonna do, guys, it is gonna open up my pores, which make the procedure of taking the impurities of my skin really easy. So I am going to put it on my skin for good 2 to 3 minutes, guys. And after that, what you need is take some hard wax. I have already melted the hard wax here, and slowly I'm going to apply it on my nose. And just make sure that whenever you start to apply it, your skin should be super clean. As I have already cleaned my skin, guys, I am going to apply it slowly, so that my entire nose can be covered up with the wax. And just make sure that you apply a really good and a thick layer, so once you remove it, you can get a little bit of grip to just make a hold of it and then rip it off. After that, I have taken 2 earbuds here and I have put it in the hot wax, and now I'm going to check the temperature here so that it's not so hot that it burns my skin. And after that, I am going to make these buds sit on the base of my nose, and I am going to make sure that you make it good sit in the first go, otherwise you won't be able to move it afterwards. And after that, one more bud I'm gonna take, dip into the wax and place it in the upper portion of my nose. So 3 sticks can make your entire nose fill up, and the same thing I'm gonna do with another nose. 2 strip, make it sit on the base, one more bud, take it, dip it in the wax and then apply it on the upper portion. And I know that I really look funny, guys, but this is how you do it. After that, guys, just make sure that you take a little courage and just rip it off suddenly. It is not going to pain a lot, because in a single go it removes every single strand of hair, as you guys can see here. I know it's very gross and gooey, but it really works. The trick has done amazing wonders, and it doesn't pain as much as I thought it would. And in the second go, I have removed the other stick as well, and it has taken all the hair in the first go. It was really amazing for me to see it, that it really worked really well. After that, guys, I have my nose strip on. This is a kind of a DIY pore strip, guys, and then just make sure that you get a grip and apply it slowly, and then once you get a grip, rip it off from your skin, and it is really gonna clean your skin super well. After that, just make sure that your skin is clean using some cold water, and as you guys can see, it has removed every single bit of hair. The skin is super clean, all the hairs are gone.
So guys, about this procedure, I want to say it works wonderfully, and you can try it out for yourself anytime. And about the pain, I want to say is I have a really high pain tolerance, guys, but it is not going to pain that much, because it helps in taking the hair out just in a single go. So you can definitely try it out for yourself now. So guys, this was it for this video, and I really hope that you find it helpful. Also, if you have queries for the same, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to answer it for you guys. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel now if you haven't already. Hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any update from my channel. Also, make sure to follow me on my social media, the link to which I'm going to leave in the description box below, and I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.